Students, we'll discuss about menstrual cycle. What about the menstrual cycle in human beings? Student, reproductive cycle in female primates. Student, menstrual cycle, it is the reproductive cycle in female primates only. Primates are the group of animals belongs from the mammalia or mammals. Student, some amount of the animals like human beings and apes, chimpanzees, like that, lemurs, monkeys. Okay, student, these are group of animals are called primates, belongs from the mammals. This is the menstrual cycle. It is the one of the reproductive cycle present only in female primates. Student, in each of the menstrual cycle, there is a cyclic changes, periodical changes. Each one of the cycle takes some amount of the time, that is 28 or 29 days. In every cycle, cyclic changes that occurs in the endometrium of the uterus in every month. Student, menstrual cycle that shows cyclic changes occurs in the endometrium of the uterus wall. Uterus, it is the part of the female reproductive system that consists inner wall, that is called endometrium. Endometrium that goes to cyclic changes in each menstrual cycle. Okay, and ovum is released during middle of each menstrual cycle. Each menstrual cycle that takes about 28 or 29 days, student. Okay, and after the 28 or 29 days, that is the last day of each menstrual cycle, and it is another menstrual cycle that continues with the first day. Okay, during each one of the menstrual cycle, only one of the ovum is released. Only one of the female gamete or the egg cell or the secondary oocyte is releases from the ovary of female reproductive system. Okay, in middle of each menstrual cycle. What is the meaning of middle of each menstrual cycle? That is with the 14th day. 14th day, that is the middle of the each cycle. At that time, one of the ovary releases ovum. Okay, student, ovum is released during middle of each menstrual cycle. Next, what about menarche? Menarche, that means first menstrual cycle, that is begins at the puberty. Okay, first menstrual cycle at the beginning of the puberty, that is called menarche. Okay, student. Next, in human females, menstruation is repeated at average interval of about 28 or 29 days. Okay. Next, menstrual cycle. Each one of the menstrual cycle that consists of 4 phases mainly. This first one is menstrual phase, second one is follicular phase, third one is ovulatory phase, and fourth one is luteal phase. Student, it is the menstruation, first 5 days. Okay, 3 to 5 days. That is with the menstruation occurs. That is called menstrual phase. And after, it is continuous with the follicular phase. Student, next and finally it is continuous with the third phase. That is, it is continuous with the ovulation phase. Okay. Next and the last phase, that is after the ovulatory phase, that is luteal phase. After the luteal phase, next menstrual cycle begins with the first day. Okay, after the end of the 29 days. Okay, student, there is a changes. This is the diagrammatic representation that shows different events in each one of the menstrual cycle. Student, This one is shows the uterine events. Uterine events. What are the changes occurs in uterine wall of the uterus? Uterine events. That is called uterine cycle. And another student, ovarian hormones levels. Ovarian hormone levels. Okay. Green line that shows about the level of the estrogen. Progesterone that indicates by the pink line, student. Okay. Next, and ovulation events. Ovulation events. Student, this is a gradual development of the ovarian follicle up to the formation of the corpus luteum and regressing of the corpus luteum. It is also called ovarian cycle. Okay, in each menstrual cycle, these are the changes are occurs in the uterus wall, and the ovarian follicle goes to the development of the corpus luteum. Okay, next another. These are the lines shows about the levels of the luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormones. Okay, that is also continuous with the ovulation phase. Student, now what about the first one, menstrual phase? In the menstrual phase, menstruation is occurs, menses or occurs. Okay, in the menstrual phase, by destruction of the endometrium of the uterus wall and breakdown of the blood vessels that are present in the endometrium of the uterus wall. Okay, breakdown of the endometrium of the uterus wall and breakdown of the blood vessels that are present in the uterus wall, it changes into fluid form. The amount of the fluid which is called menses and extrude to the outside. Student, flow to the outside by the help of the vagina. That is called menstrual phase. Okay, if the ovum is not fertilizes, it is the menstruation that only occurs in if the ovum is not fertilizes. Okay, if the ovum is fertilizes, that indicates the pregnancy. That leads to the pregnancy. If the ovum is fertilizes, that leads to the pregnancy. Presentation of the pregnancy indicates the stoppage of the menstruation or the menstrual phase. Entire the menstrual phase or the menstruation or the menses is stops at the time of the pregnancy, or the ovum is fertilizes with the sperm. It leads to pregnancy, and at the same time menstrual phase is absent. Okay, student. Next one, student, this is the endometrium. Entire the endometrium of the uterus wall is degenerated, destroyed and broken down and converts into fluid form, changes into fluid form with the blood vessels and the blood, and releases to the outside by the help of the vagina. Okay, next second one, follicular phase. Menstrual phase that takes about 3 to 5 days and it is continuous with the follicular phase. Student, it is about the follicular phase. In the follicular phase, ovarian follicle present in the ovary that is developed into the mature follicle or the Graafian follicle. Okay, student, and it is by the presentation of the two types of the hormones which are called gonadotropins. that are luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Ovarian follicle present in the ovary, that is develops into the Graafian follicle. Okay, and ovarian follicle, Graafian follicle, that is matured into Graafian follicle, tertiary follicle, by the two types of the hormones, LH and the FSH. These are also called gonadotropins. Okay, and the ovary is also releases estrogen. Okay, estrogen and the progesterone is two types of the hormones also releases by the ovary. Okay, student, this is about the follicular phase. Follicular phase that allows the development of the ovarian follicle into the Graafian follicle. Next, student, and the third one, ovulatory phase. Student, ovulatory phase, ovulation phase. Student, at the time of the mid-cycle, about 14th day of the menstrual cycle, estrogen levels are increases, and at the same time luteinizing hormone is also increases. Luteinizing is the hormone from the pituitary gland, is increases its secretion. Peaks level, its secretion is peaks level, highest level. That is also called LH surge. That is also called LH surge. Okay, and it promotes the rupture of the Graafian follicle. Okay, by the excess secretion of the luteinizing hormone, from the pituitary gland, it stimulates the rupture of the Graafian follicle, student. Rupture of the Graafian follicle, and ova is releases. Ovum is releases, not a ova. Ovum, female gamete, is releases from the Graafian follicle. Okay, this is the process is called ovulation. Release of the ova from the Graafian follicle is called ovulation, student. It is about the ovulatory phase by the LH surge. LH surge means excess secretion of the luteinizing hormone from the pituitary gland that causes ovulation. Okay, student, this is about the ovulatory phase. Student, it is indicates the gradual development ovarian follicle, okay, and primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, okay, Graafian follicle, and goes to the ovulation. Okay, student, and finally after the ovulation, after the release of ova from the Graafian follicle, it is develops into a yellow body that is called corpus luteum, developing of the corpus luteum. Ova is releases. This is the ova, student. Ovum is releases. Okay, this is corpus luteum. Student, now about the luteal phase. What about the luteal phase? Student, luteal phase means this is about the formation of the corpus luteum from the Graafian follicle. After the release of the ovum, secondary oocyte from the Graafian follicle, that is converts into yellowish body, that is called corpus luteum. Okay, corpus luteum, it is formed in luteal phase. Corpus luteum releases if the ovum is not fertilizes with the sperm. This is the corpus luteum secretes progesterone hormone. By the progesterone hormone, endometrium lining of the uterus that goes to the rapid development and the proliferation. Okay, it is helps in pregnancy and rapid development and changes that occurs in the endometrium of the uterus. It is necessary for the implantation of the blastocyst that is leads to the pregnancy. It promotes the pregnancy. Okay, it is the progesterone which is secretes from the corpus luteum that is helps in the pregnancy. Okay, student, this is about the function of the corpus luteum. Okay, student, if the ovum is fertilizes, the corpus luteum is continues up to the 3 or 4 months. Okay, student, and until 3 or 4 months, this is releases progesterone hormone. Okay, if the ovum is not fertilizes, okay, student, this is the corpus luteum is degenerated or regressing. Firstly, it is converts into changes into whitish body or the fibrous tissue that is called corpus albicans. By the formation of the corpus albicans, if the ovum is not fertilizes with the sperm cell, okay, after corpus luteum that is changes into whitish body corpus albicans. Okay, student, corpus albicans after this is degenerate and by the different types of the hormones. Okay, student, it is about the corpus luteum and regressing of the corpus luteum. Next, after the luteal phase, endometrial lining of the uterus wall and the blood vessels that is continues with the menstruation again. Okay, student, it is about the menstrual cycle and consists of different 4 types of the phases. Okay, student, what about the menopause? Menopause, that means natural cessation of menstrual cycle. Okay, in age of the around 50 years in females. Student, menopause, that means natural stoppage of the menstrual cycle in around 50 years of age in the females, that is called menopause.